let's crack on, and if we can go to the stock of the day. So hopefully you've got a chart there, which is Macquarie Group. Now there's heaps to talk about with Macquarie, always is. The news peg today though is there was a fine that Macquarie had imposed upon it, which was back in December, I believe. It's been ordered by a court now to pay that money, which is $35 million for misleading conduct. The court found that the firm misreported short sales between late 2009 and early 2024. ASIC estimates that between $298 million to $1.5 billion of short sales were misreported during that period. You can see the stock price there. David, any thoughts on Macquarie, whether it's this news or just more generally? I mean, there's a lot of acquisitions. They've had some senior leadership changes, etc. So lots to talk about.
Yeah, well, I think a $35 million fine for Macquarie is a drop in the bucket, really.
They'll find that down the back of the couch somewhere.
For a $71 billion company, it's still not good, of course, but again, not having much of an impact. The share price is up today, actually, so certainly that news is not having an impact on the share price. It has come down. I did bring. I haven't got a chart actually, but there's a chart anyway. I didn't get a chart done in time for this, but you can see where it is right now at 195. That's a good support level down here. That previous low back in November, that's about 190. So as long as Macquarie stays above $190, technically I'm speaking here, and the top part there is $230. So it's been in this kind of trading range now for actually for at least, I'm just going back, for nearly a year. It's been between this trading range of about 190 to up to 230. So right now, I mean, I wouldn't be buying it personally. I'd be holding it. If you've got the stock, it'd be a hold as far as I'm concerned. But look, the other thing is their earnings have been pretty subdued, but from what I can see. The return on equity for a bank is less than 10%. So that's come down quite a bit from where it used to be. So from an investment perspective, it's paying about 3.5%, partly franked dividend yield, 3.5%, 35% franked. So for the dividend and for the risk, it's not my cup of tea. It's, in fact, the whole banking sector is not my cup of tea in terms of valuation. I mean, it's on a PE around 18 times. I mean, in fact, if you look at Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, they're on a lower PE than Macquarie, and JP Morgan's being the biggest investment bank. But again, technically speaking, if you just wanted to trade it from that point of view, you'd say it's a buy here for a move back up. However, I wouldn't personally be I wouldn't be buying Macquarie. If you've got it, you've had it for a while, of course you'd still be holding on to it.